I mean, that's a great gateway question, because I mean, you're saying you don't come from entrepreneurial background, entrepreneurial family. Then where did you get your entrepreneurial hustle from? Where did that develop
Who
from?
the heck knows? Until I did my 23andMe DNA and saw that I really truly am related to everybody in my family, I
Hmm.
was completely convinced that I was dropped, that they found me on the street corner or something, because I don't know. I mean, there are a few people in my family that were more entrepreneurial, but very few. My family's, the vast majority of my families work in schools. They're teachers and, you know, principals and things like that, right? They have security, they have benefits, they have pensions. You know, they don't understand at all my
Hmm.
journey, and they can't. How could they, right?
Yeah.
You know, so you know, my dad was a really renowned basketball coach. His high school record was incredible. He had like 280 wins and 6 losses when he was coaching high school basketball.
Wow.
And then he was coaching college basketball, and they offered him the full-time position, the head coach position, and he turned it down. And it breaks my heart that he turned it down, because he couldn't imagine leaving his job as a teacher. And he
Hmm.
would have had to leave his security to go to this less secure thing. And, you know, he would have been amazing at that, but he didn't do it because he felt like he needed the security of the job. So I don't know where it comes from. And all I know is this is all I know. So
Hmm.
I do what I got to do. And this is a much better life for me and for my personality than working for people, for sure, because I've done both.
Yeah.